What is up, guys? We're back. We're about to make the video clips. We're like, it's about to start. You can see the sun right there. Let's see if you guys can see it. Wait. See that red thing right there? It's the sun. You guys saw in the last video. You saw the lamp. Yeah.
Are these berries? No. Can eat them?
There's the sun and here are the glasses. Yeah. See, you can see the moon a little bit. Yeah. It's getting dark. On camera it looks daytime, but right now it does not look daytime. Look, this is another peak. See? Looks weird. So yeah. So we might make another video after this. Like we might go back and inside and explain what's about to happen.
Well, the eclipse. Well, you guys already know, but
yeah. You guys do glasses. Look at the sun. I already showed them. Look. Well, I never tried this on. Oh, true. That is about to cover.
So we'll tell you when it actually blocks it.
So we'll go when it blocks. We'll go tell you when it blocks. So, yeah.
Well, it was actually
kind of.
I don't know if you guys can see it, but
kind of dark.
Okay, see that red dot right there?
Yeah, that's like.
Oh, there you go.
That's the sun.
So that's the sun.
And you can see the moon a little bit covering it.
Yeah. So if you're actually in
the eclipse
right now here, like right where I am, it's getting dark. Well, yeah. Wait, let's see it again. There it is. There it is.
Eclipse.
See, it's about to get covered.
I'm gonna make another video about this.
Maybe not. About the eclipse, that's like 69 more years to see the next one.
So we'll tell you another update. So, yeah.
So as you can,
it's covered.
It's covered. That is so beautiful. Well,
yes.
I'm sorry, you can't see it.
What the heck is that?
No lo vean sin lentes, Eric.
Whoa.
No lo vean sin lentes.
Why?
Se pueden quedar ciegos.
Well, see you guys in the next video. See ya. Peace.